Pretty good, eh? What? You're on camera now, you gotta be nice. We're here. What's the plan, baby? What are we doing?
Catching some big fish.
Catching some big fish, a big swell. Alright, it's very choppy at the moment. Boat's rocking like crazy. We got some cuttlefish for bait. We're gonna chuck some on, drop them down. We've got a few marks on the bottom here. Hoping they're not mackerel because they're just gonna snip us off. Well, like that. Alright. So what you do is you basically, are you watching?
Yeah.
Look here. So what you do is you pull that down and that's like your bail arm. So you let it sink, and then when you feel it hit the bottom, like you drop it down and then you pull that up like that.
Yeah.
And then you just get ready for it, you hold on, and then as soon as you start, and just pull up, wind like normal. Alright, there you go. Oh, hit straight away. Go baby, go! Go, go, go! That's it, go pull, wind him up. Is he on?
I don't know.
No, you let go, I think.
Oh.
Drop him back down.
Oh!
Oh, wait, wait.
Oh, fucking.
Is he on?
No, I think I lost it.
Nah, gone.
That was something big. Shocked me.
Oh, look at that. Go on,
In playing. Alright guys, this is my fish that Sam's fighting.
I think it's a shark, eh? Grab the gaff, babe.
You think?
Yeah. Pull up my line. Oh, God! Oh, he's stuck to the boat. He's stuck to they're the fish that stick to the bottom of sharks and stuff.
Oh.
Getting good hits.
I think I'm on.
Get him up, babe. Yeah, you're on. Just wind him up. What? Don't let the line loose. Don't let the line slack. That's it. What do you got? Oh, a little remora as well. Ha! Little boys.
Look at that.
Bring him in.
What's a shark? Like a...
No. See the suction cap?
Yeah.
That's what they suck. It's like a little fin.
Oh.
And look.
What the hell?
Hear that?
That's cool.
See it? Try to get that off. He's stuck there.
Like open? You go in the water now, fishy.
Get off me, babe.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, grab it, babe. Get it. Wind it up. Get it. Get it up here.
It better be a fish, not one of those sucky things.
Get it up here, baby. Don't let the line loose.
Ah! Well, it's better than nothing, I guess. That's a cute little one. Little purple stuff in his face. Anything bigger out here?
Yeah.
Catch bigger things in the inlet.
There you go, guys. As you can see, we're out reef again. Diving today with the boys. The boys are out. I'm currently boaty. I've gotten 3 trout. There's 4 trout in the esky. Yeah, today's just glass out at the moment. I'll show ya. Check that out. The boys are just over there. You can probably see them. We're right out. This is the furthest I've ever been. Can't see any of the land either way. Seen a few decent sharks already, a couple bull sharks. Get the heart pumping, get the heart racing. So yeah, I'm just watching the boys now, wait till they pop up and say they got a fish, and we're just changing over. So yeah, we've been spearing for probably about an hour now. We've got 4 trout in the boat already, and yeah, we'll go do some blue water soon, like I said. Day's still early, still got plenty of spearing to do. So I'll see you guys in the water.
What's a